Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what might be the best laser-level self-leveling tripod companion on the market. The Klein Tools 29026 Rechargeable Li-ion Battery. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a serious DIY enthusiast, this battery pack is designed to power through your most demanding leveling tasks with precision and reliability. Let's start by understanding what this product really is. The Klein Tools 29026 is a high-capacity 3.7 volts lithium-ion battery with a whopping 10,400 mAh capacity. It's specifically engineered to be used with Klein Tools self-leveling green planar laser level, model number 93PLL. That means it's not just a generic battery. It's a purpose-built power solution designed to match the performance needs of high-end laser levels used on job sites. This battery pack is all about convenience, efficiency, and smart design. One of the standout features is the LED fuel gauge. It's a small but powerful addition that lets you quickly see the current charge status, so you're never left guessing whether you've got enough juice to complete your work. Just a quick glance, and you're informed. It also includes USB charging ports that support both internal and external charging. So whether you're at home, in the truck, or on site, charging this battery is a simple process. Plug it in like any modern device and power up. No need to swap batteries or fumble with extra gear. That's a big plus for users who want to reduce downtime. When it comes to battery life, this pack delivers over 9 hours of runtime when powering the Klein Tools planar laser level. That's an entire workday, and then some, on a single charge. So if you've got long layout sessions or precision marking to do, you can depend on it to keep up without interruptions. Transporting the battery is also a breeze. It weighs just 8.8 ounces, making it lightweight enough to carry in your toolbox or even your pocket. Combine that with its slim profile and it's clearly designed with mobility in mind. Now, let's talk about recharge time. This battery takes approximately 8 hours to fully charge. That might seem long to some, but remember, you're getting an entire day of high-performance use in return. Many users just plug it in overnight and it's ready by morning, making it ideal for regular job site routines. Replacing the battery in the laser level is also incredibly simple. All it takes is removing a single screw. No complex disassembly or special tools required. It's a user-first design choice that minimizes hassle and keeps you focused on the task at hand. In a market full of generic batteries and cheap knockoffs, the Klein Tools 29026 stands out for its build quality, compatibility, and intelligent features. It's built by a company with a long-standing reputation for making rugged and reliable tools, and that legacy is clearly reflected in this product. If you're already using the Klein Tools 93PLL laser level, this is the battery that completes your kit. But even beyond that, it's a great example of what a specialized, well-designed power accessory should be: durable, intuitive, and powerful. And that wraps up our look at the Klein Tools 29026 Rechargeable Li-ion Battery. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more deep dives into the tools that keep your work sharp and your workflow efficient. See you in the next one.